Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M405n printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP LaserJet Pro M405n driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name, software and driver download. Open that first link. Official website is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system and bit. If bit is not right or operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS. In our operating system, select Windows. In a version, if your bit is 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. If your machine is Windows 10 and bit is 64-bit, then click on the Windows 10 64-bit. My machine is Windows 10 64-bit. I select Windows 10 64-bit. Then update is available. Then click on the update. This page or this box goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down and go to the here installation software and full basic driver supports print and scan functionality only. If it's not expand, then expand it from here. Here we find our drivers, okay, or the full drivers software solution. Go to the recommended and click on the download. Wait for a few seconds and download is started at the top. It's redirect to another page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download. To complete, our download is complete in a few seconds. After download is complete, wait for a few seconds, download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here we find our setup file, and this printer driver setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip it. That is also easy and simple. Go to your setup file, right click on it, click on extract files, click on the OK. Now it is extracting. Wait for a few seconds to extract these files properly on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take 1 or 2 minutes. Wait for a few minutes. After that, here we find our newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers. Okay. Now close it. We are going to next step. Next step is install that drivers. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Close this. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port that you find. Select USB port, click on the next. Here we find HAVDIX, click on HAVDIX. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some file. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file and click on the open. Click on OK. Here we find two files, HP LaserJet Pro M404 and M405 PCL6 version 3 and version 4. Both printer drivers are same and that printer driver include our printer name M405n also. Select that. It is a series of lots of printers. Select that and click on the next. Here we find the name. You any name that you like. I give my printer name. So I give my printer name HP LaserJet Pro M405n. Give any name that you like. I give this name. You can give any name and click on the next. It's installed in a few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to install this printer. Our printer is installed. If you want to share in a network, then last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option, and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet Pro M405n or whatever name that you give is appear at this list, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.